Sevastopol, the Ukrainian town in Crimea where Russia operates a military base, is now a political hot potato. Russian links run deep here, and many oppose the pro-EU Maidan wave that toppled Viktor Yanukovych. Moscow is debating the fast-tracking of Russian citizenship for ethnic Russians in Ukraine, sparking fears in Kyiv of separatism. Russia isn't trying to use hard power in order to influence the situation in Ukraine. It's not willing to violate the sovereignty of Ukraine, and it's not about to make any territorial claim. But at the same time, Russia is ready to help its compatriots who might be in trouble. Muslim Tatars are the original Crimeans, but now form the minority. History makes them wary of Russia. Many Russians settled here after the deportation of Crimean Tatars, and they still feel not just ethnically Russian, but that they belong spiritually to the Russian state. And this explains their deep desire to be with Russia and to be included in the Russian state. The only thing that is clear is that tensions are rising. International observers have stressed that Ukraine shouldn't become a new battleground between East and West.